Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're comparing two powerful tools, and they are Remini and ZMO AI. Now, we want to see which of these AI photo enhancers is best. These two powerful AI tools promise to give you the best results, but which one is actually the best? When we look at what they are best for, Remini is best for old photo restoration and face enhancement, while ZMO AI is best for AI-generated edits and artistic filters. That's right, ZMO AI is best for AI-generated edits and artistic filters. Why? When it comes to ease of use, Remini is super simple. It has one-click fixes, while ZMO AI has more customization options. When we look at AI magic, Remini focuses on sharpening and deblurring pictures. Sharpening and deblurring, while ZMO AI adds artistic styles and effects to the pictures. When we look at pricing, Remini is free with watermarks, or you can try to pay for it for HD quality. When you look at ZMO AI, it has free tier and also have the paid plan where you get premium features. Then when you look at their speed, Remini has fast processing in less than 5 seconds, while ZMO AI is slightly slower but more detailed. Then do they have mobile apps? Yes, Remini has a mobile app for iOS and Android devices, but ZMO AI does not have an app yet because it's web-based. For now, when we look at social media, are they social media ready? Remini is perfect for Instagram and TikTok, while ZMO AI is great for creative projects. Lastly, what are their best features? Well, Remini brings old photos back to life, while ZMO AI turns photos into art masterpieces. So which one wins? Well, if you want to restore old family photos, then Remini is your go-to. But if you love AI-powered artistic edits, then ZMO AI takes the crown. So which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools showdowns. See you in the next one.